As you go through this course in the various sections here, 101, 102, 103, and Excel macros and VBA, I've provided some exercise files that you can download and you can use to follow along with me. Now, in this 101 section, the foundation, the basics of Microsoft Excel, I've supplied some exercise files. You can find them attached to this lecture that you're watching right now. Go into the lecture panel, just somewhere right above my head. You're going to find it just to the right of the video player. But attached to the lecture, you'll see a resources button where you can download any files that are associated with this section of the course. Now, for the 101 section, I've supplied some exercise files, and you can download them and you can use them. But what I would recommend is follow along with me and build the exercise files yourself through this section of the course, the 101 section. In the 102 and the 103, download those files. I'm not going to expect you to build a bunch of lists and whatnot. So use those files as you get deeper in the course. But for right now, I would recommend you could leave those alone unless you really want them. I'm offering them for you. Or you can just build them yourself. And that's what I'd recommend. So, but they're right there. They're available for you. Make sure you download any files that you feel like you need. And let's get into the course and start to master Microsoft Excel.